Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. A short video today. I want to share with you some updates and I want to explain what's going on the channel and what will be the new season, guys. For this fall, I'm planning another amazing epic build. I want to create a keep, a beautiful, majestic fortress. I want to show you the full crafting process from the beginning to the end through a beautiful series that I will call The Keep, indeed. To me, it's very important that this channel keeps, a crafting feeling. I want that you share with me all my crafting journey, all my creative process, guys. I will make the video more like live crafting videos and less like fancy images and stuff. I want that you learn with me through the crafting process. All this channel is about, experimenting and doing mistakes and learn from them, okay? So this will be the, let's say the style of the channel. Also, great news are coming. I'm gonna dive into the hero quest, guys. I wanna explain you my personal experience. I wanna show you all my old collection since I'm starting to collect the new pieces, okay? And also I have some tips and stuff that I can suggest you for improve the hero quest experience. So yeah, we will continue our Fusion tile system dungeon, guys. This is just a little example. Look at this big room here. It's just connected, so you can move everything on the table because it's basically the power of the Fusion tile system. And I will also continue to do stuff like this one for improve the 3D experience of your tabletop dungeon. Remember, all this is possible because you are watching my episodes, because you are supporting this channel. Please, if you think that my content is somehow inspirational for the community, consider to support this channel through Patreon. Patreon is the best way to ensure that I will continue make these videos, guys. Also, if you want to drop some bucks through PayPal, you can check the link in the description down below. Also, another amazing way to help the channel is to buy through Amazon links. Also, check it on the description box, okay? I'm waiting for you guys on the first episode of the Keep series. Till then, happy crafting!